Akeelah, the passport to your financial future. At Akeelah, we understand that being successful in trading requires discipline, a proven trading strategy, and consistent risk management. For most new investors and even experienced traders, trying to navigate the complex financial markets requires a lot of time, technical knowledge, and experience that most people simply do not have. To help provide a gateway into the financial markets, Akeelah is now offering a copy trading account from our Akeelah Traders portfolio. Copy trading allows you to take advantage of many of the trade opportunities in the market without having to take the time to find, execute, or manage the trades. Our copy trade account is managed by a team of experienced traders and by our Akeelah Traders advanced AI system trading autonomously. We want to take time to explain how our copy trade account operates and how simple it is to start taking advantage of opportunities in the market. Our goal is to make access to the trading markets as easy as possible for new and experienced traders. Let's look at how to get started. The first step is to become a partner with Akeelah. This copy trade account is a unique opportunity only open to Akeelah partners, and prior approval is required before being allowed to copy our trades. Partnership with Akeelah also provides you numerous other benefits like access to our online learning center to help you in your trading journey. Next, you need to open an investor account with our broker LQDFX. Once you join as a partner, we will send you a link to sign up with this broker. More details on setting up your investor account will be provided once you become an Akeelah partner. Note that the minimum amount to fund your investor account is only $1,500. This amount may be increased at any time. The next step is to connect your investment account to Akeelah Traders to activate copy trading. Once you have your investor account established, you will be given your access password to deposit your funds into the Akeelah Traders account, along with a detailed step-by-step guide on how to do this. Funds you deposit into the copy trade account will remain in that account for as long as you choose to leave them there. Each trading period is for 1 month, and you can withdraw from the copy trade account at the end of any trading period. You will be joining a pool of other traders who are copying our trades, and the whole account will be traded and managed by the Akeelah team. Your account will automatically become a clone of Akeelah's trading. It will copy the trades taken by the Akeelah team, buying when we buy and selling when we sell. As the investor, you don't have to worry about dealing with market stresses or trying to figure out what to trade and when. You can go about your day knowing that a competent team and system are managing trades for you. All profits are based on the percent gains or losses in your individual trading account. Even though your funds are pooled with other investors, the earnings you receive are always based on the funds that you invested. At the end of the month cycle, the total profit percent gain will be determined, and then your investor's profit percent will be calculated from the profit split. This copy trading account is a joint partnership between you and Akeelah, and the profit split is an even 50-50 split between the Akeelah team and you. So in essence, you invest your funds, we do all the work of trading and managing, and we split the profits. This is a great partnership. The broker will automatically send profits to your investor's account at the end of each monthly trading period. You will be able to access a summary of your investments, profits, losses, etc. in your LQDFX investor account, so you will always be able to see the activity in your investment. Also, the copy trade account statistics will be available daily in the LQDFX portal so that you can monitor how the overall account is doing. Let's look at an example to show in more detail how the system works. Let's say you deposit $2,000 into your investor account. You attach your account to Akeelah Traders to copy our trades. There are other investors copying trades as well. But again, your individual gains will be based on the amount in your investor account. Now let's assume the account is traded over a period of time and we're able to make a 20% increase. The profit is split 50-50, so 10% would go to you as the investor and 10% to the Akeelah team. In this example, our trading would have gained 20% profits, or $400. So after the profit split, you would have earned a passive income of $200. LQDFX would automatically return this $200 to your investor account. From there, you can either withdraw these funds or reinvest them back into the copy trade account for the next month. It's your choice. We hope this gives you a good overview of how our copy trading system works and how you can benefit by partnering with Akeelah. If you have any questions, please contact us via email at contact@akeelah.io or on Telegram at Akeelah Traders. If you are ready to partner with Akeelah to take advantage of this opportunity, visit our website or go directly to our sign-up link in the video description. For more details about Akeelah, our online learning center, and our advanced AI trading systems, you can also follow us on our website, Akeelah.io, on Telegram at Akeelah Official, or on YouTube at Akeelah Traders. We're looking forward to you partnering with us and are excited about the opportunity to serve you.